How to clear Instagram search suggestions or remove all searches. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you completely how you can clear up your Instagram search box suggestions or from the old searches. It's very, very simple. So all I have to do first is, of course, pull up your Instagram application and ensure that you're logged in. So if you tap on this magnifying glass right here and then tap on search, you should be able to see the searches that you do. For you to remove everything or to delete everything here, just simply choose on see all and then choose on clear all and then hit on clear all once again. Now, if you still type in that specific search, it will still load up here or it will provide you suggestions depending on the search that you're doing. To fully completely delete that is to go into your settings at the upper right, which is going to be the three lines. And then from settings, scroll down and then just simply locate the option here that says what you see. And then choose on content preferences. Now from content preferences, choose on reset suggested content, follow on-screen prompts, and then your searches or even your old searches will be fully deleted. And that's how you clear Instagram search suggestions or remove all searches.